we already cooked food, and now we are going to eat dinner. So let's pray now. Okay. So let's eat.
Now.
This.
No, one.
Yeah, only one side. Yeah, right side. You eat right side. Okay. Okay, take. And you want to eat this one?
No.
You don't want?
Don't want to eat.
And how about squash?
Don't want brush.
Okay.
I like this one.
Okay.
I like one now.
Okay.
Since you don't like that one, and like the one.
Okay.
No, I don't want to eat one.
No.
So,
The soup is very tasty now. Mm.
I like to eat the sand.
Yes. It's very hard, 그죠?
But no,
Hmm.
I know it's spicy to eat.
Okay, then I'll give you, okay? So. Even aku also wants to eat pickle.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm going to one. Do you do one?
You sure? Yep. I love to eat this. Ricotta. Fresh is very good.
Fresh is really good.
Yeah.
And this okay. But like now. I like to eat one. It's really spicy, okay? I like to spicy lamb.
It. But it's too spicy.
It's too spicy lamb.
Here. We can eat pickle.
This one. Banana, this one. In the smallest one.
In the smallest.
No, not biggest.
Okay.
Banana, not biggest. Sarah. Biggest. Today I love it. Biggest.
Very good. Little enough.
Music. There's more. Princess rice. What about this? This one is spicy.
That is onion pickle.
This is onion pickle.
Yeah.
This one also spicy things. It one again. That is because this one dirty shirt.
So you eat this one.
This one.
want to eat more? Look at that.
No. No.
Eat some meat, okay? Or do you want to eat rice?
No.
Enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, how you complete this one? You eat this one. If you want to eat this one, you eat. Eat in the morning, okay? Nah. Yeah, Milaho so far to finish. I'm done. Only Milaho.
Okay.
Yeah, we could also done.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'm
After
going to Mas my gift.
Is it? Okay. Okay. We are done with our dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.